Welcome to this English learning lesson on common slang words. In this video, we will explore 5 essential informal words that you will hear every day in conversations with native English speakers. These words are cool, awesome, guy, kid, and stuff. Learning these slang terms will help you sound more natural and understand everyday English better. Let's get started. Let's start with the word cool. Cool is pronounced like this, cool. The primary meaning of cool is good, excellent, impressive, or fashionable. This is probably the most common slang word you will hear. Native speakers use it constantly to describe things they like or approve of. Here are some examples of how to use cool. First example, that's a cool car. This means the car looks impressive or stylish. Second example, you look cool in that outfit. This means your clothes look fashionable or great. Third example, cool, I'll see you tomorrow. Here, cool means you agree or accept something. Fourth example, she's a cool person to hang out with. This means she is fun, interesting, and easy to spend time with. Now let's learn the word awesome. Awesome is pronounced like this, awesome. Awesome means extremely impressive or amazing. It's stronger than cool. Use awesome when something is really, really good. For example, that concert was awesome. This means the concert was amazing and wonderful. You did an awesome job means you did something really well. What an awesome view expresses excitement about something very beautiful or impressive. Next, we have the word guy. Guy is pronounced like this, guy. Guy means a person, usually a man or informally any person. It's very casual. You can use guys as a plural to mean people in general. For example, that guy over there is funny refers to a specific man. Hey guys, what's up? Is a casual greeting to friends. You guys ready? Asks if a group of people, regardless of gender, are ready. In modern English, many people use guys to address mixed groups, even if not everyone is male. Let's learn the word kid. Kid is pronounced like this, kid. Kid means a young child or a young person. The plural is kids. For example, the kids are playing outside means the children are playing outside. How old are your kids? Is asking about someone's children. He's just a kid himself means he is still young and inexperienced. This word is very casual and commonly used in everyday speech. Finally, we have the word stuff. Stuff is pronounced like this, stuff. Stuff means things, objects, or matters in a general, unspecified way. It's very informal and convenient when you cannot think of the specific word. For example, what's all this stuff? Means what are all these things? I forgot my stuff at home means I left my belongings or possessions at home. How's stuff going? Is a casual way to ask how things are going. Stuff is extremely common in casual English conversations because it's easy to use when you do not have the exact word. Now let's compare these words to understand when to use each one. Cool and awesome are similar but different. Cool can mean fashionable or just acceptable, while awesome means extremely impressive. For example, something can be cool but not awesome. Guy and kid are different by age. Guy usually refers to an older person or anyone, while kid means a younger child. Both are informal. All 5 words are informal and casual. Use them in everyday conversations with friends, classmates, and people you know well. Avoid using them in very formal situations like job interviews or business meetings. Let's practice using these words together. First sentence, that new game is awesome. This combines a strong word of approval with a specific subject. Second sentence, hey guys, check this cool trick. This shows how to use both guy and cool in one sentence. Third sentence, don't forget your stuff at home. This is a practical sentence using stuff to mean belongings. Fourth sentence, the kids had a cool time. This combines kid and cool to describe a positive experience. Practice these sentences and try making your own sentences with these words. Great job learning these 5 common slang words. Let's recap. Cool means good or fashionable. Awesome means extremely impressive. Guy means a person or man. Kid means a young person. Stuff means things or objects in general. All these words are informal and casual. Use them in everyday conversations to sound more natural and like a native speaker. The key to learning English is practice. Use these words when you speak with friends, in informal writing, and whenever you get the chance. Keep learning, stay awesome, and practice every day. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.